This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 versus the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now they both have the Snapdragon 888. They both have 12 gigs of RAM. They're both on Android 11. Let's go ahead and turn on both phones here at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 versus Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Which one will have the faster boot up? Let's find out right meow. And ooh, hearing noise, your usual Samsung noises on the Z Fold 3 first. Let's go ahead and wait for the S21 to do its thing. Let's see, Samsung Galaxy, as you can see, here we go. Here we go, starting Android. Boom. And we are in. All right, man, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on both Galaxy phones. No recently used apps on both devices. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Draw. Messages. Draw again. The camera. I'm gonna pick up both phones, which is a little bit of a challenge on the Z Fold 3. It's a pretty big phone, as you can see, but I'm gonna do it this way. A little bit faster on the Fold. Turn that off. Let's go ahead and fire up the clock on both phones. Draw. Start that up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Another draw again. Pretty much identical. Play Store. Ooh, oh, okay. Well, let me know in the comments which one you thought was a little bit faster on that one. Let's see here. I'm just gonna click on a random app on both phones. I'm gonna click on this. We'll leave it on that page. Amazon. Very close. Let me know in the comments. Slow down the video for me. I'm gonna go ahead and click on, let's see, what's the same here? There we go. Click on that product or item. We'll leave it there, and then eBay. Very close. Maybe the S21, but let me know in the comments. Slow down the video for me. Half speed or something, and let me know. Really, overall, very similar speeds on both phones. Not that big of a difference either way. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones, and let's see. A little bit faster here on the left on the Fold, as you can see. Tap to begin. And again, a little bit faster on the Fold. Temple Run 2. Let's see here. 10th anniversary, both are loading. Ooh, I think the S21 with a comeback. Yup. S21 a little bit faster. Tap to play. Subway Surf. Let's see here. Loading on both phones. Ooh. Oh, a little bit faster on the Fold. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both phones. Let's see. Ooh, faster on the left on the Fold. Will the S21 catch up? Nope. We'll give the win to the Z Fold on this. And we do have CSR Racing 2. Let's see. Straighten out the Fold here a little bit. That display on the Fold though. I mean, damn, look at that. It is quite an experience using this phone here on the left. I mean, look at that. Especially gaming or like web browsing, which we'll get into in a couple minutes. It's pretty sick, man. Modern Combat 5. I mean, look at that. It's a big display. Look at, I mean, look at this. Very nice. Just an experience. Okay, extracting files on both. Which one will do this faster here? And pretty much identical. Let me know in the comments. All right. And let's see here which one's quicker. I mean, that's pretty much identical. But the screen again on the Fold, it's amazing. Woo! Love it. PUBG, let's go. And a missed touch on the S21. My goodness. All right, let me do that over. There you go. Oh, Z Fold 3 I think is out in front by a little bit. Let's see here, compiling resources on the S21. I don't think it did that here on the Z Fold. All right, well, you could take this one with a grain of salt. This one had to take an additional step. So not sure what that was about on the S21 Ultra. So I'll tell you what. Now it's loading on the S21. I'll tell you what though. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna clear. I just wanna see this. Give it a fair shot on both phones, right? I'm gonna do that again. Let's go. What will happen right here, okay? Z Fold out in front, I think a little bit. Checking for updates real fast on both, okay? What's gonna happen here? Loading already on, ooh, okay. And again, a tiny bit faster again on the Z Fold 3. Okay, I can live with that. Different pop-up here though on the S21, but you get the idea of the speed. Really not that big of a difference either way. Twitter. And then there we go. I think that was the Z Fold 3. You know what? I think I may have mistouched that. Anyway, Instagram. Identical. Snapchat. Identical again. And then we do have Chrome on both phones. All right, I'm gonna do a Google search for the Z Fold 3. What is the latest news on this phone? As of this video, I'm recording this right now. Go. Check out the results here. All right. Okay, top stories. Something from CNET. Shout out to CNET. Let's go. Okay. Scroll through this. And both have a 120 Hertz display. I'm gonna block that. And scrolling on both phones is nice and buttery smooth. A very nice experience. However, I mean, you can't deny with this display here on the Fold, 7.6 inches compared to even the S21 Ultra, this is not a bad display in its own right. But I mean, look at this. It's a very rich, I'd say, experience here on the left. I mean, very, PC-like, combined with the 120 display. I mean, this is just a fantastic user experience. All right, let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, as you can see. And again, with the 120 Hertz display on both phones, the swiping from side to side is just a very, again, rich experience. Run through these apps again, and we'll have a look at the RAM management, see if there's any hiccups, any stutters, any reloads of apps. This one is good to go on both phones, okay? Handling it well so far, if I can get out of it. Okay, this one. Both are reconnecting, not a reload, it's just reconnecting to the game, to the server. So that's good. CSR Racing 2. And we can continue this so you can see. Not bad. Handling it well. Both phones are. There you go, this is good too. A little bit of, I don't know what that was on the Z Fold. Like a little flash, I don't know if you saw that. But not a big delay or anything. Not a problem on this one either. Good to go. This one, you can resume. Not a problem on that. Mario Run. And again, no issues. eBay, whoops. There you go. You can continue your shopping. Amazon shopping. Okay, there you go. Choose this one if you want. No issues really. Play Store. No reload. Calculator. Good to go. The clock on both phones still running. Now again, I've never actually had the clock app ever reload. I wonder if it's even possible to reload that app. I guess if you open 2,000 apps or something, but here's the camera. Identical, maybe the Z Fold. Slow down the video for me. And then we do have messages, identical. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. If you have the Z Fold 2 or the original Galaxy Fold, are you gonna upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3? If you have an S21 or a Note 20 Ultra, for example, are you guys gonna hop on the bandwagon and get a Z Fold 3? Overall, first few days using this phone, I think it's pretty cool. Love the display. Like I said, has a very rich experience with a 7.6 inches combined with a 120 Hertz refresh rate. This is very nice experience, but this phone is, I have to say, it's pretty big. It's kind of heavy in the pocket, and I do have this case with it. And if I'm being honest, has the S Pen holster. It's kind of clunky. I don't know if I like it, but I understand the concept, you know, with the pen storage, etc. So it's pretty cool, but as a daily driver, I don't know, for me personally. But anyway, let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.